Good morning, students. In the last class, we learned how to solve problems involving angle of elevation. Today, we will see how to solve problems involving angle of depression. What is the angle of depression? And the angle made by the line of sight, with the horizontal line. So, if it is the horizontal line, and if the object is below the horizontal line, if it is above, it becomes angle of elevation. When the object is below the horizontal line, suppose the object is here, then the line of sight is this one. The angle made by this line is called angle of depression. So, angle of depression is the angle made by the line of sight with the horizontal when the object is below the horizontal line. Now we will come to some example problems. Example 6.2. Example 6.26. Before we come to the problem, see, this is the horizontal line. The object is here, and this is called angle of depression. The angle of depression and angle of elevation are equal because they are alternate interior angles. So the angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So now, when come to the example 6.26, the sum goes: a player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meters observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degrees. So, a player sitting on the top of a building of height 20 meters. He observes a ball on the ground. A ball is here. So, suppose AB is your tower, C is your ball, and from here he looks down. The angle of depression is 60 degrees. You have to find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. This is the foot of the tower and this is the ball. So you have to find the distance. This distance you have to find. So AB is the tower, and what is given? AB is 20 meters. And the angle of depression. So this angle is 60 degrees. And already I told you the angle of depression and angle of elevation are equal. So angle ACB is 60 degrees. We have to find BC. So in triangle ACB, opposite and adjacent. So we have tan ratio. So tan 60 is equal to opposite. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 20 by x. So when you cross multiply, x is equal to 20 by root 3. So multiply both sides by root 3. You will get 20 root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732 by 3. So when you multiply, you will get 34.64 by 3. When you divide, you will get 11.54. So when you divide this one, you will get 11.54 meter. So what is the distance between the foot? So the distance of the ball from the tower, from the foot of the tower. Is 11.54 meter. The next example. (6.27). The problem goes: the horizontal distance between the two buildings is 140. There are two buildings. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 140. So the horizontal distance between two buildings is 140. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. So from this sentence we have to understand which building is taller, which building is shorter. So the angle of depression of the top of the first building from seen from the second building. So from seen from the second building, from the top you are looking at the top of the first building. Suppose AB is the first building. So what is given? The angle of depression is 30 degree. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, so 30 degree, height of the building is 60 meter. You have to find the height of the second building. So what is given? AB is the first building. So AB is the first building and the height of that is 60 meter. And the angle of depression is 30 degree. You have to find height of the second building. This total height you have to find. If AB is 60 means automatically CD also is 60. This also is 60. You have to find what is in this triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, tan 30 is equal to opposite. Here opposite is ED and adjacent is AD. Tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to ED by AD. And AD and BC are equal. So AD value is given, that is 1 by root 3 equal to ED by 140. Or ED equal to, when you cross multiply, ED equal to 140 by root 3. So multiply both sides by root 3. So when you multiply both sides by root 3, you will get 140 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So 140 into root 3, that is 140 into 1.732, root 3 value by 3. When you multiply 140 into 1.732, you will get, when you multiply and divide by 3, you will get 80.78. That is ED. ED is 80.78. What is our question? You have to find EC, that is the height of the second building. Therefore, EC equal to ED plus DC. ED is 80.78 plus DC is 60. So when you add 140.78. So the height of the second building is, therefore, height of the second building (140.78 meter). Now the next example 6.28. From the top of a tower that 50 meter high, from the top of a tower 50 meter high, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a tree. So, tower and tree. So, from the top of a tower, and there is a tree. From the top of a tower, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a tree are observed to be 60 and 45. So from here, suppose AB is a tree. So for the depression of the top of the tree is 30 degree. So this is 30. And from the top of the tower, the angle of depression of the bottom of the tree is 45 degree. You have to find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. So what is the tree? AB. So the height of the tree we have to find. So if AB is a tree, and the tower is, from the top of the tower is 50 meter high. EC is your tower, so this is 50 meter. And the angle of depression for the top is 30 degree. The angle of depression of the bottom of the tree is 45. You have to find AB. So in triangle, if you take the triangle EBC, tan 45. In triangle EBC, tan 45 is equal to opposite. Opposite is EC by BC. Tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to EC value is given. EC is 50. 50 by BC, or BC is equal to 50. Now if we take the triangle EAD, in triangle EAD, tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite. Here opposite is ED by AD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. ED we do not know. AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal. So AD value BC value we already found. So when you substitute, that is 50. Since AD is equal to BC. So when you cross multiply, ED is equal to 50 by root 3. Here also when you multiply both sides by root 3, 50 root 3 by 3. So 50 into 1.732 by 3. When you multiply and divide, you will get 28.85. So that is ED. So ED we got 28.85. What is our question? You have to find AB. AB and DC are equal. So AB and DC are equal. So you have to find AB. So from here, what is DC? DC is equal to EC minus ED. EC value is given, that is 50 meter, minus 28.85. So when you subtract, you will get 21.15 meter. So that is the height of the DC and AB are equal. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to 21.15 meter. The next example, 6.29. The question, as observed from the top of a 60-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 28 and 45. So, a lighthouse and two ships. So, from the lighthouse you are observing two ships. The height of the lighthouse is 60 meters. The angle of depression of the two ships are 28 and 45. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, you have to find the distance between the two ships. So, lighthouse is here and there are two ships on the same side. The angle of depression of the two ships are given. Suppose AB is the lighthouse, C and D are the position of two ships, and the depression, one is 28 degree, other one is 45 degree. The lighthouse is 60 meter height. The question, what you have to find the distance between the two ships. And tan 28, it is not a standard angle, so a value of tan 28 is given. Tan 28 equal to, tan 28 is 0.5317. Tan 28 value is given. You have to find the distance between the two ships. This distance you have to find. So, what is given? AB is a tower, 60 meter. The angle of depression, so ADB is 28 degree and ACB is 45 degree. You have to find CD. So, there are two triangles, ADB one triangle, ACB one triangle, the other triangle. So, we will take, if we take triangle ABC, tan 45, so easy to find. So, tan 45 is equal to opposite AB by BC. Tan 45 is 1. AB value we know 60 by BC, or BC is equal to 60. Now, in triangle ADB, in triangle ABD, tan 28. Tan 28 equal to opposite. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BD. Tan 28 value is given 0.5317. AB value we know 60 by BD. So, BD equal to 60 by 0.5317. So, when you divide this one, you will get 112.85 approximate value. That is what is that one? That is BD. So, the whole thing is 112.85. We found the value of BC. BC is 60. Now, what is our question? You have to find only the distance between the two ships, that is CD. Therefore, CD equal to BD minus BC. BD is, just now we found 112.85 minus BC we got 60. So, when you subtract, so CD is 52. What is CD? The distance between the two ships. Therefore, the distance between the two ships is 52.85 meter. The next example. So all these sums, a diagram is must. If you draw the diagram correctly, then it is easy. Height and distance is very easy. Now the next example. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. So the man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower he is watching a boat. That boat is going away from the tower. The boat makes an angle of depression of 60 degree. So a tower and a boat is there, and the angle of depression is 60 degree. And it is at a distance of 200 meters from the tower. So suppose A, B is the tower, C is the initial position of the boat, and the distance between the tower and the boat is 200 meters. Now, after 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45. After 10 seconds, what happens? The boat is moving away from the tower. So it comes to some position, maybe here. We call it as D. After 10 seconds, from C, the boat comes to D position. The angle of depression is 45. So this angle is 45. What is the approximate speed of the boat in kilometer per hour? You have to give a speed in kilometer per hour. Here they mentioned, assuming that that it is sailing in a still water. So what is given? AB is a tower. Okay, and only the distance is given. Okay, AB is a tower. AB is a lighthouse. Okay, it's a lighthouse, whatever it is. The angle of depression of the ship is ACB is 60 degree. And after 10 seconds it comes to here, so the angle of depression ADB is 45 degree. And BC is 200 meter. You have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So if we take the triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to AB, opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is root 3. Opposite we do not know. And adjacent is 200. So when you cross multiply, √3. Now in triangle ABD, tan 45 is equal to AB opposite by adjacent. Adjacent is BD. Tan 45 is 1. AB we do not know, and BD. So when you cross multiply, AB is equal to BD. So AB equal to BD. Now what is the AB value? AB value is 200 √3. So therefore when you substitute the value, therefore BD is equal to 200 √3. So BD is 200 √3. Now what is CD? CD is the distance covered or travelled in 10 seconds. So first you have to find CD. What is CD? CD is equal to BD minus BC. CD is equal to BD minus BC. BD we found 200 root 3 and BC value is given 200. When you take 200 common, you will get root 3 minus 1. That is 200. Root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1. So 200 into 0.732. So when you multiply, so put the decimal point, so you will get 146.4. So that is CD. Now what is the question? We have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. What is this 146.4 meter? This is the distance travelled in 10 seconds. So distance covered in 10 seconds is equal to 146.4. You have to find speed. What is the speed formula? Speed equal to distance by time. So our distance is 146.4 by time is 10 seconds. So this is meter per second. So when you divide, you will get 14.64 meter per second. But what is given? You have to give the speed in kilometer per hour. So to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 3600, because 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, and kilometer, 1000 kilometer equal to 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So when you multiply and divide this, you will get 52.704. So when you multiply and divide by 10, 52.704 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed? Speed is 52.704 kilometer per hour. So these are few examples regarding angle of depression. With this now we come to exercise problem. Exercise 6.3. The previous exercise we have dealt only with the angle of elevation. Here all these 4 or 5 sums only with the angle of depression. Now exercise 6.3. This whole exercise we are going to deal only with the angle of depression. Read the question. Now, from the top of a rock 50 root 3 high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30. So from a rock, from the top of a rock, so a rock is there, the height of the rock is given 50 root 3. So AB is the rock and there is a car on the ground. From the top you are observing the car, the angle of depression is 30 degree. You have to find, what is the question? Find the distance of the car from the rock. So this distance you have to find. So AB as usual. AB is 50 root 3 meter. And the angle of depression is 30 degree. You have to find BC. So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Opposite is 50 root 3 by BC. So when you cross multiply, BC is equal to 50 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 50 into 3. You will get 150. So what is the distance of the car from the foot of the tower? So the distance is 150 meter. Come to the second sum. The second sum, the horizontal distance between two buildings. So there are two buildings. The horizontal distance between the two buildings. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. So, second building is taller than the first building. From the top of the second building, we are looking at the top of the first building. So, the angle of depression of the top of the first building seen from the second building is 45 degree. If the height of the second building is 120 meter, the whole height of the second building is given 120 meter. You have to find the height of the first building. This height you have to find. So, A, B, B the first building, C is the second building. We are getting like this. The diagram is like this. If it is H, this also H. You have to find A, B. So what is given? AB, the first building, and CE is 120 meter. The angle of depression of the first building, that is top of the first building from the second is 45. Only one angle. You have to find the height of the first building. Okay. So we have only one, that is in triangle. ADE tan 45 is equal to opposite ED by AD. Tan 45 is 1. 1 equal to ED by AD and BC are equal. So if it is 70 means that also 70. So 70. Cross multiply. So ED is equal to 70. What we have to find? AB. AB and CD are equal. AB is equal to CD. Now, CE value is 120. The height of the second building is 120. And what we got is ED. Therefore, CD is equal to CE minus ED. 120 minus 70. So, you will get 50. What is 50? AB. Therefore, AB is 50 meter, or height of the first building is 50 meter.